Hey guys, how you doing? Long time no see. I know it's been a while since I put up a video. Just it was becoming unsustainable, you guys. I'm barely learning how to do this. This channel is very new. I just started at the beginning of the year, so I was putting up my videos of the repairs I was doing every day because those are the only videos I have of repairs. I don't have any videos before that. I only have pictures. I have thousands and thousands of pictures. Regardless, guys, I got some new editing software, so I'm going to be able to put up much crisper, nicer content for you guys on the repairs that I do and other content that I want to put up as well. Nonetheless, let me show you what I'm doing right now. So right now I got an 03 F250 with a 6.0 Power Stroke that has a dead number 5 cylinder, and that's being caused by that broken valve right there that you see. That was caused by the tip of the glow plug. I also have an '06 F250 with a 6.0 Power Stroke that's getting ARP head studs and a full engine reseal. So I'll be putting these videos up. I'm going to put up some of the old videos. I'm also going to put up some collages of my pictures because I have thousands of them. See you guys soon. Be safe.